All right, Darin Martineau here. Okay, this is my wife, Janae. I've got a card effect to show you what I'd like you to do, Janae. I'm going to have you go ahead and say stop as I riffle. Okay, so stop. Right here, okay? I want you to look at the card. Don't let me see it. Show it to the camera at home. Place it back. Okay, so you can see your card gone in there, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I have a prediction here in my pocket, okay? And what I'm going to do is with this prediction, I'm not going to show it to you just yet, all right? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to deal cards down like this onto the table like this, right? And as I do so, what I'd like you to do is go ahead and say stop whenever you'd like.
Stop.
Right there. You want here or here?
Right there.
This card or this?
Yeah, this card.
This card. Okay. Now I want you to hold your hand out. Okay, hold your hand out. Now, for the first time today, turn that over. Let's see.
Oh, it's my card, the 10 of hearts.
You got that. Pretty awesome, right?
Wow,
Now, what I'm going to
card.
do is I'm going to do another trick actually, but all the cards are different in fact, right? You can see, right?
Yeah, they're different. They're all different.
Okay. Now I want you to go ahead, and I'm going to just go for the cards like this. I want you to just say stop whenever you want.
Stop.
Right here. Okay. Is that fair? That's fair, right? You can look at the card. Don't let me see it.
That's
Now, whatever that card is,
yes. Should I show it?
yeah, whatever that card is, we're actually going to try and change this to half the card.
Half the card.
So remember the first time we had the 10 of hearts, right? Which you can see here, right? So whatever that card is, what is that card?
The 7 of clubs.
So what's half of 7?
3.5.
Okay, watch. 3.5 it is. And that's called a big deal. All right, that's called a big deal. Thank you.